Just put them on the table over there. It just doesn't make any sense, Carissa.
What doesn't make sense? The fact that my sister was unhappy or that you couldn't make her happy?
I'll be damned if I did anything to make Allison unhappy. I know her just as well and I loved her just as much. That's why I know Allison didn't kill herself.
Okay, I loved my sister, but you have to understand, she had her demons. It was only a matter of time before they ate her alive.
Are you kidding me? Allison was not suicidal. You were there when she was running around the house screaming that there was something in the house, and we all just looked at her like she was crazy. Allison isn't crazy.
Enough! I'm gonna run some errands.
Carissa? Carissa! Carissa? Carissa! Is this some type of joke?
Oscar? Oscar? Oscar, what are you doing?
Oscar?